Hello and welcome back to another video with Space Tatum. Today's video is a little different. We're doing an unboxing on the Babyliss Lo Pros. Check them out. Check them out. Let's see. With the chameleon blade on it. Let's get a closer look for y'all. So here's the first look of the clipper outside of the box. Here. Let's see what all comes with it. Comes with two Babyliss chargers for each of the clipper and the trimmer. It comes with your 0.5, and I believe they also give you a 0 guard. Well, 0.5 and a 1, my bad. Some clipper oil, and some more guards. So let's go to the clippers. So taking a look at the clipper first, we have the notches and the Chameleon FX blade. Let's see the 0 gapping. Trash out the box. And here we have our trimmer. With that Chameleon FX blade. Let's check out the 0 gapping. Hey, that's not bad. That's actually pretty good. Now let's do a sound test. See the clicks halfway open and closed. Same thing with the trimmer, sound test. Some of the specs on the Babyliss Lo Pro FX limited edition clipper and trimmer. It has an ultra low profile metal shield cover. If you take a look at the clipper, you can see the metal shear cover. High performance / high torque brushless motor up to 6,800 RPM, 13,600 SPM. It also has a custom metal motor bracket for optional balance. It also has a lithium ion battery. You can use it cord or cordless with a 3,300 mAh. The clipper provides up to 2.5 hours of cordless runtime, and the trimmer provides up to 4 hours cordless runtime. It also has a LED low battery indicator that flashes blue whenever it's gonna die. It has a 5-position locking metal taper arm only for the clipper. So if you take a look and see right here, you have the notches. So it's not like the Seniors or the Magic clips where you're just doing it by hand and you're just figuring out what you're doing. It also has an ergonomic grip housing. As you can see, it has the ridges in the back, so whenever you're cutting and you're flicking, it kind of feels really natural. And if you were looking to purchase a pair yourself, there are some online. And you can get them some at eBay. I see eBay has them. That's another place. I just see eBay right now, and the Barber Supply. This is where I got mine from, the Barber Supply with the Chameleon blade. For $234, it'll be $250 with tax. Yeah. So if you like these clippers, go to the Barber Supply, go get you a pair, and let me know how they hitting. But overall, this is a good clipper. I would rate this clipper an easy 8 out of 10 over the clippers in the market right now. I have no clippers that are a 10 out of 10. Hopefully we can see some 10 out of 10s coming on in the future. And again, thank you for watching and tuning in with Space Tatum.
Do you know how I feel? Pull up with 6 in the drill. Robin still for a deal. We keep it a mill. 30 hit him in his grill. You talking, we learn this skill. We ain't from the Ville. Big rock crawl, we making a deal. Give me that pack, we aim at the hill. We do the shit 23